want justice. I want justice. You want justice. You want justice. I want justice. You want justice. You want justice. I want justice. You want justice. Justice, justice. We want justice. You want justice. Justice, justice. Justice, justice. We want justice. Justice, justice. We want justice. You want justice. Justice, justice. Justice, justice. We want justice. Justice, justice. We want justice. You.
I missed on where we are, why we are here. As all you know, there was a movement in Bangladesh, the anti-indiscrimination. So this movement, and Bangladeshi Hindu, there is a lots of discriminatory law against Bangladeshi Hindu community. So the Chinmay Prabhu Brahmachari and all other Hindu community, they make 8-point demand to abolish the discrimination against Hindu. And Chinmay Prabhu Brahmachari, he was leading a big protest in Chittagong. More than 300,000 people are organized in Chittagong. Then they organized another protest in Rangpur. There was more than 400,000 people in the protest. And the demand was popularizing day by day. And the 13th December, he declared another protest program in Khulna. As the anti-discrimination demand from Hindu is popularizing, and Chinmay Prabhu Brahmachari become a great leader in Hindu voice of Hindu community. That's why the government put a false case, is a sedition case against the Chinmay Prabhu Brahmachari. So why they make this case? Because they want to stop Hindu voice. They continue to kill Hindu. So my demand to the USA government and White House and all this USA government, it is well known that USA government has good relation with the present government of Bangladesh. So you the people are responsible to save Bangladeshi Hindu. You the people are responsible to keep safe all these people in Bangladesh and release Chinmay Prabhu Das right now. Please, I am arguing to the White House and the American administration. Please talk now, release Chinmay Prabhu Brahmachari now. Thank you.
Chinmay Prabhu mukti chai. Mukti chai, mukti chai. 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 Chinmay Prabhu mukti chai. Chinmay Prabhu mukti chai. Mukti chai, 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 mukti chai. Chinmay Prabhu mukti chai. বন্ধুরা আমার, আপনারা জানেন সমগ্র বিশ্ব আপনাদের সাথেই প্রতিবাদ কর্মসূচি পালন করেছে। আমাদের অনেক বন্ধুরা বিভিন্ন জায়গায় তারা প্রতিবাদ কর্মসূচি পালন করেছে।